Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Assistant and Voice Match so your phone listens hands-free. Open Assistant Settings, turn on Hey Google, and follow the voice training prompts. This teaches it to recognize you. Make sure mic and lock screen permissions are allowed so it can respond when the screen is off. Once done, say the wake phrase clearly while near the phone to confirm. Doing this now avoids later permission pop-ups and ensures the rest of the setup reacts to your voice immediately. Once Voice Match works, configure what Assistant can do without touch. Open routines to automate multi-step tasks and assign shortcuts. This eliminates manual navigation. In Assistant settings, set default music and navigation apps so commands go to the right service. This speeds responses. Also allow personal results and calling from the lock screen so it can read messages or place calls hands-free. Make sure Do Not Disturb exceptions, permit alarms, or urgent calls so critical commands still come through. Finish by testing common commands. Call a contact, send a message, start navigation, and play music. Observe where it fails and refine. Retrain Voice Match if the phone misidentifies you, enable microphone permission if it won't hear, or allow lock screen personal results if it can't read messages. If issues persist, restart the phone and update the Google app. Clearing the app cache can fix stubborn problems. This single troubleshooting tip, Retrain Voice Match, resolves most recognition errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.